Hello students, welcome in Maths online class. Students, I hope you all are seriously doing your homeworks. You have to write everything in your fair copy. Students, in my previous video, I have to explain you decimal, decimal fraction, addition and subtraction of the decimal. In this video, we will discuss about the multiplication of decimal. So students, let's start now. Today's topic is a multiplication of decimal. I know you know very well how to multiply the numbers, but this is a different type of multiplication. This is a multiplication of decimal numbers. So look here how we can multiply the decimal numbers. Students, we know very well in the multiplication we have two parts. First part is known as a multiplier, means this part is known as a multiplicand, and this part is known as a multiplier. So how we can multiply the decimal numbers? Very easy, we can easily multiply the decimal number. Same like as a simple multiplication. First, look here. First, what is the multiplicand? 7.4 and what is the multiplier? 10. Student, firstly, you don't think about the decimal. You just multiply like as a simple multiplication. Means, first we multiply 0 to 4, then 0 to 7. 0 4 is 0, 0 7 is 0, because we know that when we multiply any whole number or natural number to the 0, then answer will be 0. 1, the next number 1, and where have to write? Tens place, because this is at the tens place. When we multiply the tens multiplier, tens number, then always we write below the tens place number. So 1 4 is 4 from here, and 1 7 is 7. Then add, you know how we can find the product? 0 4 7. But this is not last answer. In this type multiplication, here is a one thing. What is a decimal? And where is we use the decimal? After multiplication, we always use the decimal in a product. We cannot use here and here. First step and second step we cannot use. We can use only in the last, means product. And how we can use the decimal? Always the decimal you use from the right hand side. This is your right hand side. And look here, in multiplication at which place? 7.4 means decimal here ones place. Ones place means from the right hand side we count the first number 1, decimal is the 1 place, then here we use the decimal after 0, or you can say the before the 0 1, then here we use the decimal. So answer will be 74.0. and this type multiplication we have also short method. What? 0, this is the 1, and we know that easily multiplication 7.4. So don't think about the decimal, just think this is a 74. So 74 multiplied by 1, 74. Then we can use the 1 0 after 4 are right hand side number. Then we can use the decimal from the right hand side. Then answer will be 74.0. In the second, 18.5 multiplied by 100. So this is the multiplicand and this is the multiplier. Same as 1 by 1 number. Don't think about any decimal. Decimal is only here where? In the multiplicand. 0 0 0 0. Then this is where is this 0? At the tens place. So in the second step, where we write? At below the tens place first 0. Then 0 5 is 0, 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, then 1 5 is you can cross it. Then where is the 1? 1 at the 100 place. Then we can write the first number at below the 100 place. Which one is the 100 place? 1, 10s and 100 from here. Now 1 5s are, and we can cross these two numbers. 1 5s are, 1 8s are, 1 1s are. Then we can add 0 0 5 8 1. Look at the decimal here as after one digit. So we use the decimal in a product after one digit from her right hand side. This is your right hand side. Count the one number after one digit from the right hand side. 1. Then we can use the decimal is here. Then answer will be 1850. This is the answer. Now second, when they multiply with the whole or rational number, what is here? 0.82. How we can read? 0.82, not a 0.82. Then multiply by 3. This is a multiplicand and this is a multiplier. This is a very easy multiplication. Easily we can multiply. 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24. Write what? 4. We cannot write 24 here. 3 zeros are 0. And what is there? Means 2. Finish. Then look the decimal. Where the decimal? In the multiplicand. After 2 digit. Then we can use the decimal after the 2 digit in product from the right hand side. 1 2. Then answer will be 2.46. Understood? The next, 19.76 multiply by 13. The second type multiplication. First type, second type, this third type. When here is a how many digit? 2 digit. Means multiplier have a 2 digit. Then how we can multiply? Easily same as like as a multiplication. Simple multiplication. Don't think about the first. Don't think about the decimal. Simply firstly we will simply multiply the numbers one by one, and then we use the decimal in the last, means in the product. 3 6 are 18, right? 8 carry 1. 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22. 3 9s are 27 plus 2 carry 29. 3 9s are 27 plus 2 29. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. Then what? Next number 1. At which place? Tens. Then we write the second line from where? From the tens place number. This is a cut. We can cross it. 1 6 are 7s are 9s are 1s are 8 6 2 8 9 7 16 9 5 9 5 14 plus 1 15. Then 1 1 2. Then look at the decimal. Where the decimal? In only multiplicand after 2 digit. Then we can use the decimal in product after 2 digit from the right hand side. Keep in mind, decimal always we use from the right hand side. 2 digit 1 2. The answer will be 256.88. Now second, third and last type, decimal. This is a very important type, decimal. As of time student confused in this type. Decimal means when the decimal present in both multiplicand and multiplier. So how we can multiply? This is very easy. We can multiply easily like as a multiplication. Means first don't think about the decimal. Firstly we multiply the numbers. So what is the number here? 78.50 multiply by 1.2. Look at the multiplicand and multiplier both with decimal. So don't think about the decimal. Listen, multiplicand and multiplier both have the decimal. So in the multiplication time, don't think about the decimal. First you can easily multiply the number and find the product. Then you can use the decimal in a only product. So look here. 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, write 0, carry 1, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 1 zeros are 0, 1 5s are 1 8s are 1 7s are 0 0 7 5 12 8 5 13 plus 1 14 7 1 8 9. And now decimal time. Decimal time is very important. Where is the place of decimal in multiplication? In product, in the last. This is the product. This is not answer. So look here. In the multiplicand, 2 place. And in multiplier, 1 place. Total place of the decimal. Count the both decimal places. In the multiplicand, 2 place. In multiplier, 1 place. So total is a 3 place. Means we can use the decimal in product after 3 digit. Total is a 3 digit. So where is the product? This is a product. So we can use the decimal after 3 digit from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3. 3 is here, finished. Then we can use the decimal is here. Now answer will be 94.200. This is answer. This type decimal is very important. This type multiplication is very important because always keep in mind how many in decimal, on which place in the multiplicand and on which place in the multiplier. So add the both multiplicand and multiplier places, then you can use in a product. Now here is a 1.5 and 7.3 same as multiply. 7 3 5s are 15, right? 5 carry 1, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. In the decimal multiplication also, firstly you can multiply easily. Don't think about the decimal. We think the decimal in a last. So 7 5s are 35, right? The 5 carry 3, 7 1s are 7 plus 3 10. 5 9 0 1. 5 plus 4 9. Look here in the multiplicand after 1 place. In a multiplier after 1 place. Total is after 2 place. Means in product we use the decimal after the 2 digit from the right hand side. 1 2. So 10.95. So students, this was all for today, and today's homework is do the exercise 3B first question. So I have attached your homeworks in description of this video. Thank you. Take care.